In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an image from Google Chrome on Windows. First, open Google Chrome and head to google.com. In the search bar, type what you're looking for, maybe a keyword like sunset wallpaper or cute cat, and press enter. This brings up your regular search results, but since we want pictures specifically, switch to the Images view. At the top of the page, click Images. That tells Google to show only image results, making it easier to find exactly what you want without sifting through web pages. Take a moment to browse the thumbnails until you see one you like. For the best quality, click the thumbnail once so it opens in a larger preview. This helps you check the clarity and make sure it isn't a tiny version or a low-resolution image. If the picture looks crisp and it's the one you want, you're ready to save it. Move your mouse over the image and right-click. In the menu that appears, choose Save Image as Talladas. This is the option that downloads the image file to your computer instead of saving the whole web page. After you click it, a Save As window will pop up. Here you can rename the file to something meaningful like sunsetlake.jpg so you can find it easily later. Windows will suggest a location. By default, this is usually your Downloads folder. You can keep that or choose a different folder if you prefer to organize your images in Pictures or a Project folder. You'll also see a Save As Type box that might show JPEG, PNG, or WebP. It's okay to leave the default type, just make sure you keep the file extension intact so the image opens correctly in other apps. When you're happy with the name and location, click Save. Chrome will download the image to the folder you selected, and it's now ready to use in Documents, Slides, or as a wallpaper. A couple of helpful tips as you go. Choosing the previewed or larger version of the image usually gives you better quality than saving directly from a tiny thumbnail. If a site compresses images or adds a watermark, try selecting a different result that shows a clear and watermark preview. And remember to respect copyright and usage rights. Images you find online may have restrictions, so check the source if you plan to use the image publicly. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. You've just learned how to download an image from Google Chrome on Windows.